Hi, David. This is Kevin. And I wanted to explain to you real quick how to utilize the customizer press. See here on the screen, I'm logged in as myself. Should have this same capability for login. Top bar, you have the admin. I'm just going to click customize. See that it's to this screen. Now, right here will allow you to change the logo, upload a new logo, or change it to one that you already have in your library. If you don't have a logo, actually specify a site title. And we can also specify a site icon. Here is the background. This is where you would change your background colors. You have the header, background color. And in the previewer for all this, you literally see how it's going to look before actually. That's really ugly colors, ugly colors. And the footer is actually separate from the rest of it. Change the background itself, actually separate. Jump around here, change all the colors, but we're not going to do that. So topography, heading color, heading values, text color. Since say on the online auctions, if you wanted to change buttons, button color. Have our menus. This will allow you to change. Just say wanted to change to online auctions to auctions on up here. Type out. Right now it's set as the default, but we call it auction. Actually see that update on the, but we're not going to do that. You can also add items. Allow you to pick items from your, add the testimonial. Let's see here. Actually, I don't even want to try that right now because I haven't tested it, so we won't go down that path. But you definitely add new pages. Say testimonial. Finding it. But if a page exists, you should be able to find it and add it to. Um, but the best thing to do is there's other ways to add menu items. Okay, let's go ahead. We have widgets here, and widgets allow you to set things like these buttons up here. So if you wanted to add another social button, let's say Amazon account or Reddit. Yep. Say if you had Reddit here, there, then you Reddit link. Uh, Reddit. Don't want to remove. But say you wanted to change, just click on that, and then here's the footer column. There's two columns in the footer. Down here, add numbers. Now it's formatted as well, so you bold it to. It's the second column for the. If you notice, see how there's edit icons right here. Click on that, it will automatically take. Have your home page setting. This allows you to select pages that make as your. Right now we have it as the upcoming auctions page. Here is the page. Allows you to set a store notice. Enable the store notice right now. Default value. Have a product catalog that allows you to sort product catalog. And I apologize if it seems like it's not working. It actually is. We are hiding this image from style sheets, and customizer doesn't necessarily have access to style sheet. Allows you to set the product sort there, and so shop page display, products categories or products and category display, what to display on the product category, and the default product sorting allows you to buy the sort. Product images allows you to set the default sizes. Checkout allows you to set checkout values. Now, the formatting often may not seem like it works right. If it isn't actually working right in real life on a live page, let me know. Adjust the settings. Just as a point of just an FYI, the website uses a system called Bootstrap, and let up real quick. Bootstrap is a system that allows you set the portion and alignment of all sorts of different site, and I send you just say Bootstrap. Say you want it's the padding. You have these what they call classes that element. You don't have to really worry about this stuff, but long and short, it's a system that was developed by Twitter and it because it proportions really well for mobile devices and allows you to transition from widescreen monitor sized devices down to smallest cell phone rather well. Just to give you talking about um and get back out of this real quick. This is the additional style sheets that also affects a lot of different things. But let's go back to the page. Save any changes. If you did want to save those changes, publish button. But Bootstrap allows this to occur. I'm going to hit F12 on my browser. Toggle device emulate. Show you what that is. Hit F12 browser. Speak. See this window down here pop up. allows you to take a look at the code behind the scenes. Well, right here is a button. Like, say I wanted to see the code that puts up this. Right click on it, say inspect. Show you. This is the image, auctions image. See where. In this particular instance, we want to use the mobile device emulation. Right here, you'll see this icon. And right now, we're on the responsive, a type of browser, not browser, but style sheet technology, and allows us to scale from screen down to small screen. See here, as we slide down, everything collapses. We across, and at 1200, it should snap to 2 across. Here's our dimension here. Snap right below 12. 1199 snaps to down narrower, it'll snap to 1. That's also responsible for, got the wide menu. Narrower, when it's this solid black bar, requires you to click here. System. Adjust various aspects of how page collapses Bootstrap. So that's just an explanation of what I'm talking about when I say Bootstrap and how we might have to all of the CS style sheets for your page. Some of these things aren't going to physically format completely the way we want. So what we'll have to do then is go into the underlying code or go in. Let's show you what I'm talking about here. Go ahead and close out of here. When I go into customize additional CS&S field, I might adjust things. Like here, I've adjusted so that their width is always 100% and their height is automatic to whatever the width is. Here's an example where I'm setting the header to have a 1 pim padding around. What that literally does is if right here changes this right up here padding. If I get rid of it altogether, let's go down to row. Notice that the Bud Palmer logo moved. Change it to 0.1, 0.5. I had it set on 1. And yeah, we can set it to 10. Padding was. So there's little things that we modify the look of the entire. And again, if we wanted to save any changes we make, we're going to publish. So you had some issues with the details and in the watch list. I'm gonna start looking into that, and I'll get back with you. I fix it, but that should tell you how to use the customizer and give you a rough overview of everything. All right, thank you much.